As the nation salutes 22 valiant bravehearts who lost their lives in the Sukma ambush, Cobra Constable Murli Krishnan's family, one of the valiant soldiers who lost his life fighting Maoists. The young soldier was all of 22 and was all set to tie the knot on the 22nd of May.
ఫస్ట్ వచ్చాడు, ఆగస్ట్ వచ్చి అక్టోబర్ వెళ్ళిపోయాడు, నవంబర్ డిసెంబర్ వచ్చేసాడు, వచ్చి మళ్ళీ జనవరి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. అంటే ఛత్తీస్గఢ్ వెళ్ళాడు, అక్కడ ఉన్న బ్యాగ్ అయినా వాళ్ళు తీసుకొచ్చారు, అక్కడ తీసుకుపోయారు. అక్కడ
పెళ్ళి ఎప్పుడు అనుకున్నారు మీరు?
మే 22
మ్యారేజ్ అనుకున్నారు. మధ్యలో వచ్చిపోయాడా? మధ్యకాలంలో ఎప్పుడు రాలేదా?
ఇప్పుడు రాలేదు, వెళ్ళాక.
As the nation collectively mourns the sacrifices of 22 of our Jawans, the Modi government has vowed that the sacrifices of these Jawans will be avenged. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
So that's the story of Murli Krishna from Guntur. But let's get you the next story from Uttar Pradesh. Now, Yogi Adityanath here has expressed his condolences to the family of the CRPF Jawan. This is Raj Kumar Yadav, who was martyred in the Sukma encounter. And as I said, remember, every story is a story that fills you with pride, because all these are men who've sacrificed their lives in the service for the nation.
Martyred soldier Rajkumar Yadav was one of the CRPF Jawans serving in the Cobra Battalion. Hailing from Ayodhya, the father of 2 young children was passionate about serving the country from childhood. The family was unaware of his posting due to security concerns. But he made sure he spoke to his terminally ill mother and wife whenever he could. His family is shattered today.
यहाँ पे ये गए हैं 10 जनवरी को गए हैं, माता जी का ऑपरेशन करा के उसके बाद घर पे रख के करके तब गए हैं।
ऑपरेशन कहाँ? पोस्टिंग
अपोलो हॉस्पिटल में हुआ था।
पोस्टिंग कहाँ थी?
छत्तीसगढ़ में हुई थी, अब कहाँ पे थी यही नहीं मालूम।
परिवार में कौन कौन है?
परिवार में हम हैं, हमारा छोटा भाई, ये छोटी बहन है, और भैया के 2 बच्चे हैं, भाभी हैं, माता जी हैं, पिताजी हैं।
अच्छा, क्या इसकी सूचना अभी परिवार में दी गई और लोगों को?
नहीं, खबर आपको लोगों के माध्यम से अभी तक हुई है। अंदर कोई केवल शक किया जा रहा है, अभी कोई अंदर कोई नहीं है।
बहुत वीर।
कब तक हुई उनके भाई से? तो हम डेली बात नहीं करते थे। दरअसल वहाँ माता जी थी, वहाँ पे कोई बात होती तो भी दिक्कत हो जाती थी, इसलिए वहाँ बात नहीं करते थे, बाहर होके करते थे। अभी हमको हुई है बात, होली के पहले हुई थी मेरी।
UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced an ex gratia of 50 lakh rupees to the family as the nation unites to pay tribute to the Sukma bravehearts. Rajkumar Yadav's service to the nation will never be forgotten. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Let's shift our focus now to get you a story of one more martyr. This is Constable Dharmendra Kumar, who also, remember, lost his life. But then, as I said, these are not statistics. Every such individual is leaving behind a family, every such individual who actually has spent so many years with the forces. Now, this man was with the CRPF, martyred in the Sukma encounter with the Naxals. As a nation today saluting our brave hearts and their valor, this void felt by the family will never be fulfilled. This is a special report now coming for you.
This is Constable Dharamdev Kumar, a Cobra commando from Chandoli in Uttar Pradesh. Constable Dharamdev Kumar was the family breadwinner. The selfless Jawan took up the responsibility of protecting his family and serving the nation. His 2 daughters, wife, mother, sister and brothers are all shattered with the news of his ultimate sacrifice in the line of duty.
मुठभेड़ में मेरे भाई शहीद हो गए।
किस विभाग में थे आपके भाई?
सर सीआरपीएफ में कोबरा कमांडो में गए थे।
क्या नाम था उनका?
धर्मदेव कुमार।
कहाँ थे, कहाँ उनकी ड्यूटी थी?
सर असम थे, असम से 1 हफ्ता हुआ गए थे वहीं पर छत्तीसगढ़।
किन से मुठभेड़ हुई है?
सर नक्सलाइट से होगा और किससे मुठभेड़?
आप सरकार से क्या चाहते हैं?
सर हम क्या बताएं, 2 लड़की है सर
जी,
ये औरत प्रेगनेंट है।
सरकार से आप किस प्रकार की सहायता चाहते हैं आनंद जी?
सर लोगों को हमेशा सुखी से रखे और क्या
आपके भाई साहब शहीद हुए हैं, देश के लिए शहीद हुए हैं, तो आप सरकार से क्या उम्मीद रखते हैं कि सरकार किस प्रकार से आपकी सहायता करे?
तो हमको नौकरी दे और क्या करेंगे, नौकरी देगा तभी ना चलेगा, परिवार का खर्चा कैसे चलेगा? हम लोग गरीब आदमी, बताइए, देश के लिए तो चलेगा।
UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced an ex gratia of 50 lakh rupees to the family as the nation unites to pay tribute to the Sukhma bravehearts. Bureau Report, Republic TV.